In this video, I'll show you how to use Facebook Youth Safety settings on your phone. These settings help make the account safer by limiting who can contact you and what kind of content you see. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Next, tap the menu icon to open the menu page. From there, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. Inside the Settings page, scroll down until you find the section related to privacy and safety. Look for options that control who can send you friend requests, who can see your posts, and who can message you. Tap on each option and adjust it to make your account more private. For example, you can change friend requests to friends of friends so fewer people can contact you. You can also review your privacy settings to limit who can see your personal information and posts. Another helpful option is Message Controls, where you can manage who can send you messages or message requests. Make sure these settings are adjusted to keep unwanted contact limited. After updating the settings, your account will be better protected with safer communication and privacy controls. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tutorials.